Hi friends, welcome to yet another section of Tarot Divinations and myself Dr. Khushbu Gulati. So today we'll start with yet another lesson of our major arcana cards journey. Okay, in the previous video I had told you about the star, okay, and the moon. Okay, the star card, it was ruled by the Aquarius energy, and the moon card, it was ruled by the Pisces energy. Okay, I hope that you remember that. Now after the moon we have three cards more. Okay, and then our the major arcana cards, they will be concluded. Okay, they'll be complete. So after the moon, the next arcana card in succession to the moon is the sun. Okay, after the moon comes the sun, and you can see the Roman numeral 19 written on top of the card where the sun is. Okay, now what does this card represent? It represents a very bright and a warm ambience. Okay, as you can see, the child in the card is very happy, and he's riding high on the horse. The sun is bright, shining. Okay, so everywhere in this card as you can see, there is love, there is happiness, there is warmth. Okay, there is joy. Okay, abundance all around in this card. Okay, uh, so this sun card, it is a very great, it is a very good, and it is a very positive card to have, mind you. Okay, you should really be happy if you get this card, because it is a win-win situation. It is a yes to any question you are asking about. Okay, be it place, person, or any situation, or maybe a group of people, whatever you are, or maybe your career, finances, whatever it is, in any aspect. This card is a very big yes. Okay, so as you know that the yellow color, it represents joy, it represents warmth. Okay, so this card helps spread happiness and abundance all around. Okay, the sun card, it is ruled by the Leo energy. Okay, so the Leo, the zodiac sign of Leo, it dominates the energy of the sun. Okay, the sun here is all about warmth and happiness, it's joy and growth. And you see these sunflowers here, can you see these sunflowers? These, okay, so they are, they are blooming, and they are a symbol of abundance and fertility. So eventually it is you have this child here, you have the horse, you have the sun behind, which is just glowing, and it is radiating all this positive energy around. So it's all about positivity, and eventually it is like a yes card. This is an incredibly beautiful energy of happiness and joy all around you. Okay, so it's all about happiness, enjoying yourself, then maybe feeling yourself, then sorry, getting to know more about yourself, feeling good about yourself, and taking this opportunity to do things for yourself. Okay, and also if perhaps you are not feeling that great, this card can indicate that you have the potential to feel great, you have the potential to look amazing, to feel amazing inside out if you get this card. Okay, suppose at that point, at that very moment, or maybe at particular stage in your life, in present, you are not feeling great and things are not going good. So this card can also indicate that you have the opportunity to feel like the sun. Okay, you can create that opportunity. And also maybe you get some things in your life in near future which give you the happiness as the sun. Okay, so that is the sun card, and it's about making us feel warm and nurtured, kind, abundant. Okay, so it's a great card to have all in all. Okay, now I'll also like to add one thing that if this card comes in pertaining to somebody's feelings, okay, in general, maybe in a relationship or in a love situation. Okay, so you can suppose that card uh, has, suppose the sun card has come out for another person for which you are asking a question. So that means in feelings, okay, that suppose how does he or she feel about you, and the sun card pops out. So this means that you are like the sun in that person's life. Okay, you are the shining energy, you are the bright, bright light, which you are like the beacon of hope which this person, sees you like. So this is a very positive card in feelings, okay, of a person. This means that you are the joy of his life, you are the light of his life, his or her, whatever the gender. Okay, so this is all about the sun energy. It is very warm, very positive, very abundant, very nurturing, very kind, very loving. Okay, and it's a great card to have. Okay, so this is what the sun card is all about: happiness, joy, warmth, abundance, uh, feeling complete and feeling nurtured, and it's a great card to have. Okay, now the next card after the sun comes the judgment. Okay, this is like, an inner calling. This is a call from the divine, as you can say. Okay, this is a call from the universe, that now the time has come for a particular situation to resolve, or a time has come to say yes or no, and to take a particular decision in your life. Okay, be it in career, finances, health, family, love, whatever it is. So this is like a divinatory card, because as you can see here, the angel, it is blowing the trumpet, and the people, they are like waiting for a judgment call to be taken. Okay, so this is a very uh, uh, divine card to have. Okay, it means that now the divine will come, will intervene, and will help you take a decision in your life, which will change the due course of things soon. Okay, so this is about making a decision, and it's about where you have to make some form of decision, or someone else will make a decision depending upon your question, of course. Okay, so this is about being given an option. It's almost like a judgment day where you have to make a decision. The time has come, and it's essentially about you saying yes or no to a particular decision. Okay, it indicates that you will have to make a decision with regards to a person, situation, people, place, thing, whatever it is. You have to make a decision sooner or later. Okay, and now the time has come, so you will have to make a decision in near future. Okay, so depending on whatever question you are asking, so this card, if it comes, it means that you have a form of some decision to take. And it's almost like people in the card, they're almost waiting for that judgment, okay, to be taken by the divine, which is blowing the trumpet from above. So this could be an important one, and could impart this decision, it can heavily affect other people as well. Okay, whatever uh, uh, you know regardless of how many people are involved in your situation, obviously that particular decision will have a greater or less impact to the people which are involved in your situation, okay, or question, whatever you are asking. So this could be an important one. Okay, this decision could be an important one, and that is why it will affect other people as well who are involved in your particular case or situation. So it indicates an important decision that needs to be made. Okay, and it's a judgment call from above, from the universe. So this is what all the judgment card is about. Okay, now the last card, finally, I think that you all might be taking a sigh of relief that The major arcana cards are coming to an end in this video. So yes, you can, rejoice that finally they are coming to an end. This is the last card of the major arcana. Okay, this is the world. Okay, this is the last card. The world shows that the cycle is completed. And if you, if you give a, if you think, keenly, then you will be able to understand that there are a total of 22 major arcana cards. Okay, the first card started with the Fool. Fool was about taking a brand new leap of faith, okay, and going for something. Okay, so it was a fresh start, it was a new beginning. So the major arcana started with the beginning. Okay, that is the Fool card, and it is ending with the World. That is, the cycle is completing. Okay, the cycle is completing and a new phase is starting. I'm so sorry. A new phase is starting, and an old phase is wrapping up. Okay, a new cycle is commencing, and the old one is leaving. Okay, so this is all about completions and beginnings. The world, it is that like a full circle. Okay, so this is the last major arcana card in the total 22 cards. This is all about completing a cycle, and you can see the 21 Roman numeral, Roman number 21 written on the above of the card. Okay, so this is about completing a cycle, a phase ending. This is about karma being wrapped up. This can also be about karma. Okay, suppose a karmic cycle is coming to an end. Okay, be it in your professional life, be it in your personal life. So if this card comes, it can also show that a karmic phase is going to complete now. It is going to completion, and a new cycle is beginning. Okay, so this also relates to the karmic phases or the karmic cycles being wrapped up. It's all about new chapters, new phases. Okay, and it's about feeling positive and feeling great. So actually this is a good card. Okay, this is a positive card which gives the hope of new beginnings and the old cycles closing. So it also indicates feeling amazing, and sometimes this can also indicate maybe going on a world trip, going on a world tour. Okay, physically, that you are going out to see new places or to see the world, but it is like very less. It is in very less cases that this actually means going out and seeing the world and all that. But mostly it is about cycles being ended and new cycles starting, the endings and beginnings. Okay, it's more about an old cycle ending and a new one beginning. So it's essentially a cycle being wrapped up, and now you can start afresh, you can start on a new page now. Okay, so this is all about endings, completions, and then new and fresh beginnings. Okay, so this was our last major arcana card, and now all the major arcana cards have been explained to you. They have been taken up. Okay, so in the next class we'll start with the minor arcana cards now, okay, which are 58 in number. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and please now, as we have wrapped up all the major arcana cards, please just go through all the videos. Okay, just sum up what are all the 22 cards in order, and by which zodiac signs they are ruled, what is the meaning and significance of each and every card, so that you can have a much better idea. And when we start on with the minor arcana cards, you are well versed with what are the major arcana cards. Okay, so that you do not get confused and messed up. Okay, so that's all for today, I suppose, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, help me grow. Okay, and take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.